After the collection is done, we have to prepare our SIM card. So we insert it into the device. And pull it, so it's locked. And close it. The SIM card is inserted. The SIM card must have GPRS and SMS function, so you can send the SMS command and track it online. Now we do wire collection. There are 4 wires. This is a positive wire. You have to connect to the battery positive, and black is negative. Yellow is a relay control wire, and this is an ICC wire to detect engine status. Here is the relay. It's used to control the engine. So you can see the relay has a yellow wire as well. So we just collect them together, and you have to insulate them. And this is a power wire of the relay. It's a 12 voltage relay, so we can collect together with this positive wire because they are both power wire. And now we have 2 green wire left, so we put it here. And now this light, we consider it as the engine. And you can see the light is on and it's powered. So we find the power wire of the engine. We cut it off. And the 2 sides we collect with the green wire. And now you see the light is on again. So now the engine is not stopped, but if we send SMS command or send a command from the web to the device, to the SIM card in the device, and the device will control the relay to cut off the engine. So this is how engine immobilize works.